In the heart of Scotland, at the intersection of the Forth and Clyde Canals and the Union Canal, lies a modern engineering marvel, the Falkirk Wheel. This marvel is named after a nearby town. This steel giant not only connects two rivers, but also links the region's industrial past with its vibrant present and promising future. Its construction began in 1998, and 4 years later, the wheel was ready for its first official spin. The idea behind the Falkirk Wheel was born from a need to reconnect two historically significant waterways severed by time and change. Planners and engineers didn't want to settle for a traditional system of locks. They dreamed of something iconic, an emblem of 21st century ingenuity that could restore navigation while capturing the public's imagination. It was a challenge not just of mechanics, but of symbolism. How do you build a machine that honors the past while looking toward the future? It was a rainy spring morning in 2002 when the Falkirk Wheel turned for the first time, symbolizing a new chapter in Scottish transportation history. The opening ceremony was an event of national pride, where locals and visitors gathered to witness the wheel's first rotation. Since then, the structure has not only fulfilled its practical purpose, but it has also become a tourist attraction, drawing thousands of visitors annually who come to marvel at its design and functionality. Designed to revitalize navigation on historic canals, this giant wheel rises 35 meters above the landscape, allowing boats to make an unprecedented ascent from the level of the Ford and Clyde Canal to the Union Canal, which is 24 meters higher. This ascent was previously an arduous process, managed by a series of 11 locks, which took almost a day to complete. With the arrival of the wheel, the time was reduced to a calm 15-minute journey. The design of the Falkirk Wheel is both a feat of functionality and a work of art. Inspired by the wheel of a Celtic mill, its structure is an ode to history and technology. Two large axe-shaped arms rotate slowly, driven by a combination of electric motors and an ingenious balancing system. Each of the two arms holds a gigantic water box that together transport the boats up and down with surprising precision and grace. Some days at dawn, when the mist still covers the Scottish countryside, the Falkirk Wheel seems like a mythical relic emerging from a dream. Standing near the wheel at that hour, one can hear the rhythmic hum of the motors and the quiet churn of water echoing off the hills. What sets the Falkirk Wheel apart is not only its appearance, but the philosophy behind its movement. It operates on Archimedes' principle, meaning that each of the gondolas, or caissons, always holds the same weight of water and boat, allowing the entire structure to rotate with minimal energy. The scene is not just scenic, it's cinematic, as if time itself is bending, folding the past and present into one rotating gesture. The boats line up patiently, waiting their turn to be lifted or lowered, while the water gently splashes around, creating an aquatic ballet that mesmerizes everyone present. Beyond its majesty and utility, the Falkirk Wheel represents the human ability to transform and revitalize its surroundings. The Falkirk Wheel is not just a mechanism for lifting boats, it is a symbol of innovation and perseverance. Each turn tells a story of effort and success, of respect for the past and hope for the future. And so, with each rotation, the Falkirk Wheel continues its dance, connecting waters, times, and hearts in an endless embrace.